So this time we are with Gaurav, and this weekend he is evicted. So let's know that how is feeling, good or bad.
Confused. Like I just told you a minute ago, the GPS in my mind is not working. I'm waiting for it to get switched on and go to and then say, take right 10 meters ahead. I hope that happens soon. I'm a little hazy. Inside, there's no sense of time or space or anything like that. So you get quite, you're like in a bubble, and then suddenly you're out. Weekend episodes, we dress up and we know we're going to get out. We're mentally prepared, but it didn't happen on that day. So we thought it got pushed on to the next week, and suddenly next day in the middle of the day, they suddenly called us to the room, and there was the bench, and then there was a video, and then there was a very emotional speech that Big Boss gave, which was very surprising because normally he just says, "Get out." you know it just got very overwhelming emotionally because even from the Big Boss side they made it into a very respectful emotional farewell. So it got, I walked out feeling a million things at one time. I couldn't meet the rest of the housemates. I could hear Rohan crying outside when I was walking out. Big Boss was already telling him, Rohan, यहाँ से जाओ, because I think वो वहाँ पर आके bang करने वाला था. It got very emotionally tormenting at that point of time. Of course, the moment with Bani was difficult too. उसे तो खैर मैं बोल ही रहा था तो बोल while stay cool, be cool, keep smiling. Because I didn't want the farewell moment to look like any one of us was crying. I wanted it to be like a smiley moment. So I'm just overwhelmed. And then I should mention this. Yesterday I came out, and then it was the 1st of Jan. So the world was in some other mood. And then yesterday the eviction episode happened last night. And then after that, just all hell broke loose, and I've just been on the phone. The whole world is messaging saying, "Aisa kaise ho gaya? You can't go out. You need to go back." And then there was this whole Twitter thing that started. So I was apparently trending on Twitter first at position 10, then 8, and then 1 late last night. So Gaurav Chopra was on the trending list as the number 1 topic because he got evicted from Big Boss. So now if you ask me how do I feel, you tell me, what do I say to you? I'm just feeling like it's too many things happening, and मैं खुद mentally prepared नहीं हूँ for what this is, and you just feel very very overwhelmed and very thankful when as an actor people like you so much. You just want to, if possible, call all of them and say, come, let's have a group hug. But I can't do that. So anyway, I'm sending you a group hug like this.
So generally it is not that people are happy when they came out from the Big Boss house, but you have tears in your eyes. So like I can say it. So you are overwhelmed.
It's a very emotional moment because what more does an actor want, right? I've said no to the show some 6 or 7 times. This is probably the 8th time that they asked me and I went. I was very skeptical. I didn't want to fight. I didn't want to drop my standards. I didn't want to do anything that I normally don't do outside. I make very few friends and I stick by them. I can live for them or die for them, but because they're very, very few. And that's what I did inside. The very few relationships that I made are real relationships, and then I stood by them. And then I suddenly got out of the show in this unexpected way, but they gave me a lot of respect, even the makers and Big Boss himself. And then I came out and the people gave me even more love. So I don't know, I'm not happy to come out, but I'm so happy to see the reaction like this and the support. So it's a mixture of many, many feelings. I just don't know which side to go, which is why I said with GPS on nahi hua hai. Hopefully in 10 minutes it will say,
So who was very close to you, like very close friend? You are, even though you are out, you are thinking about them कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा.
Of course, Bani.
So who was not so close, or some like you don't like them? Who was
No, there's nobody in that house that I don't like. There are some people that I'm neutral about because, I don't think that just because you're in the same space, you become friends with everyone. Well, that's me at least. You can be friendly to them, but you don't have to be real friends with them because that's not possible. आपका वो genuine human connect हर एक के साथ नहीं बनता, and at least not at the same level. It's always situational, person to person, right? So, like for example, Mona, for instance. I've tried during the show, but I don't think I've ever really developed any kind of a genuine friendship with her. I couldn't, even though I've tried. So it's fine. I mean, I think she's okay. I think she thinks I'm okay, or maybe not okay. I don't know what she thinks. But so there were some friends and there were some people that I was neutral about. So Mona, I'm neutral about.
So people are talking about Lopa like very much. So what do you think about her?
In what way?
Like in a general way, like her talent, her ability to make a conversation and all those things.
I think she's a smart girl, and I think that she's got her eyes set on what she wants. She's focused about her look, her makeup, her clothes, her projection to the people. She's also quite aware of the fact that she's on a huge platform and she needs to present herself well. Sometimes I feel she's a little immature with the way that she deals with things. She ends up saying things to say. There are some people जिनका कोई स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होता, तो वो जब लड़ते हैं तो उनकी लड़ाई में भी स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होता. So when you fight with them, you're not going to achieve anything because they will fight with you at a really bad level, and then if you try to match up, you will have to drop your standards. So this no one can teach you. This you have to understand on your own, that there's no point fighting with this person beyond a point, because this person will get so low that it will look bad on me. For this person it's fine because he or she is like that.
Yeah.
So little things like that, I think she will probably understand them in due course of time. But right from the start of the show, she and I have had this really interesting, I don't know, we got along, but then we've had some issues, but then we get along, then we play along, then we dance sometimes, and sometimes she plays pillow fights with me. It's a little this way, that way, but I've kind of almost liked her always.
So people are even though talking about Babaji also. So I'm just I'm looking at your expression when I caught the name that Babaji dish. So what do you think about him?
There's nothing to say really. What you guys see on TV is some 100 times worse than that to live with. He's got a criminal negative bent of mind. He twists everything around. I don't know how much is possible in 45 minutes to see, but you have to imagine one person constantly hovering around you, talking about मैं गुंडों से तुमको पिटवा दूंगा, मैं तुम्हारी शूटिंग रुकवा दूंगा, मैं तुम्हारे घर वालों को उठवा लूँगा, मैं तुम्हें केस डाल दूंगा, मैं तुम्हें बाहर निकल के कुछ करने नहीं दूंगा, तुमको पता नहीं है मेरे कितने गुंडे सपोर्टर्स हैं. वो कॉन्स्टेंटली ऐसी बातें बोलते हैं. ही टॉक्स अबाउट मैंने उसका मर्डर करवा दिया, मैंने उसको मरवा दिया, मैंने उसको उठवा लिया, मैंने उसको किडनैप करा दिया. ही टॉक्स लाइक दैट all the time. So imagine one person sitting on your breakfast table talking like that, on your lunch table talking like that, all the time. It's very difficult to ignore also, which is why सब लोग उससे eventually लड़ पड़ते हैं, because he does not stop. So what you guys see in 45 minutes in actual life is much worse.
That is a teaser, just.
Not even a teaser. It's the teaser का भी teaser है.
So I was like, he was खुले में धमकियाँ देना, and I was like that. Okay, so why you think he is there? Because I don't think people are liking him. I don't think so. Even though youth, who is the, who rates the TRP and all, obviously it is a reality show. So people are voting who is there, that is youth only. So why think that he is there?
I really can't answer that question because it's a reality show and the people making it know what they're doing. This is my 8th or 9th, maybe 10th reality show that I'm doing. So, I know this is how it functions. There are always surprise twists and turns, and a reality show never really goes the way you're expecting it to. It always, that's the norm, right? It has to surprise you. अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे अच्छा ये नंबर 1 है ये नंबर 2 और वो वैसे ही चला जाएगा तो एक्चुअली मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. So I really can't answer why he's inside because he shouldn't be. He's dangerous for अब जिन लोगों जो मेरे अंदर क्लोज लोग अंदर हैं मुझे चिंता होती है उनकी because he's inside. Because जब तक मैं वहाँ था तो मुझे एक वो कॉन्फिडेंस था that I will come in front. So I worry a little bit.
Okay, so who you think that have the ability to win this season?
It's very difficult to say who will win, but I can say who I want. My wish list is Bani and Rohan. They're the ones that I feel the most for. Rahul is already out, and Karan was out much before. These are the 4 relationships that I made. And after I came out, I've already connected with Rahul, I've already connected with Karan, I've already connected with Bani's friends, I've already connected with Rohan's friends, I've passed on their messages. So these are not fake relationships. Let me give you a hint when you guys watch. If there is somebody who is pretending in the Big Boss house, then the relationships and the friendships are also fake. If there is somebody who is being genuine, then the relationships and friendships are also true. Because जब आप genuine behave कर रहे होते हो तो वो दोस्ती का moment real होता है. So it happens like that. So then these bonds that I made are actually true, solid emotional bonds, and so they're going to stay.
So last time किश्वर और प्रिंस का एक बहुत अच्छा बॉन्डिंग देखने को मिला था. इवन किश्वर ने उसके लिए छोड़ दिया because he was like he is my brother. So इस बार भी बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों में कनेक्शन नहीं दिखा है, but you are looking like I think so, it's like emotional connection between 2-3 people. So what do you think that reality shows में रिश्ते बनते हैं या बिगड़ते हैं?
Not necessarily कहीं बनते हैं. आपकी observation correct है. See, it's basically a game. Everyone's playing a game. You understand. So which is why I said, even if I do make a relationship, I can't make it with many people. I can only make it with somebody जिसके साथ वो automatically हो जाए. A true relationship has to happen on its own. You can't force it, right? So. With these people, it has happened on its own. So it's two-way. रोहन बाथरूम के अंदर चला जाता है तो उसको निकालने के लिए मुझे ही जाना पड़ेगा. वो नहीं निकलेगा अदरवाइज. वो लोपा के कहने से रोकने से नहीं रुकेगा. I have to. So I actually went against Big Boss's rule, took off my mic and went inside. And that was for him because if I would have kept the mic with me, I would have sounded good because मैं उसे अच्छी advice दे रहा हूँ. But he would have sounded bad because वो कंप्लेंट कर रहा है और वो बिग बॉस के अगेंस्ट बोलेंगे. एंड सो टू सेव हिम आई टुक ऑफ द माइक. सो इट्स यू सी यू हैव इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट, व्हिच इज व्हाई द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन वी सैट broke down and he cried and is because he also knows this is one person who genuinely here is doing this, which also doesn't mean कि मैं 24 घंटे उसके साथ बिताऊंगा. एक रिश्ता बन गया. अब वो ऑनेस्ट है. अब आप दिन में एक बार बात करें, 2 बार बात करें, सोने से पहले every night before sleeping he and I would talk for 5 minutes. That was our thing. He would share his day's observations. He would ask questions. कल क्या करना है? He would take my advice. So he trusted me and he trusted my advice, and I felt responsible for him. So अगर गुरुजी उसके flower bed वाले task में उसके flowers उखाड़ रहे हैं, so I was the one who ran and I was the one who held him and I was the one who forced him. जैसे आपको मैं हिलने नहीं दूँगा. It's because you gotta play that role for people that you feel responsible for. In return मुझे क्या मिलता है वो मैं उस वक्त नहीं देखता. If I feel for this person, then I will do it for this person. This is just how I am.
Okay, so you have done nearby like a dozen of reality shows. So nearby. So what is your so what is your favorite one and worst one?
I was the first Indian ever to be called for the Europe edition of Dancing with the Stars earlier this year. That is a huge, sense of honor. As the only Indian ever to be called as a celebrity contestant. destined for the Europe edition of Dancing with the Stars. Considering मैंने अभी तक झलक नहीं किया उसका Indian version, but so because of the national honor and representing the country wali feeling thing, I can't equate that with anything else. So Dancing with the Stars is a huge thing. The worst is difficult to say. I did a show called Pati Patni Aur Wo. This was in 2000 and
It sounds so.
so there was Gurmeet and his wife, not his wife then. There was Shilpa Saglani and Apoorv. There was Rakhi she had the Rakhi ka Swayamvar, and the guy that she got engaged to, so there was Rakhi and that guy, and at that point of time it was a huge controversy thing because log janna chahte the ki inki shaadi hogi ki nahi hogi. So then they came into that show, and there was one other couple that I'm forgetting. So 5 couples in Goa. The show was fabulous, the shooting was fabulous, but when it came on TV, it was very manipulated on the edit. So that's something that I always feel like I feel a little bad because I feel like वो बहुत अच्छा शो था, और अगर वो उसको वैसे दिखाते जैसा हुआ था तो वो like the show didn't even have a competition. There was no winner, there was no voting. It was a very beautiful show. It was like the game of life, 5 couples to see कौन क्या करता है. But it was very interesting because it was very, how do I say, no competition, no negativity, no politics, no voting. So it was a really positive show to be a part of, and it was, but still there was a lot of drama, a lot of fight. Had they shown it the way it was, it would have been a beautiful thing on TV. It would have been a game changer. But वो बहुत उन्होंने कुछ किया, so I don't want to say much about that. But so that's a little regret I have about that show.
What is your favorite memory, or we can say like best memory of Big Boss that you have spent there?
My best memory without fail is the moment when we won the Raja or Rank task. There was a secret task given to us, to me, and I had to get those things done with my team. So I was the Wazir. I don't know whether you saw it or not, but so the commoners were playing the royal family. I was the Wazir, and the celebrities were playing the servants. So the royal family, the servants, and I am the in-between Wazir who manages the servants and takes care of the. And then there was a secret task to get some things clicked with a secret camera that we had. So we had to hide the camera, and we had to create those moments and click them.
Okay.
And they were crazy moments, like somebody had to kiss someone, or somebody had to throw somebody in the pool. Very difficult to, like, how do you convince somebody to kiss someone, or how do you convince somebody to throw in the pool, or and then capture it and not be seen? Because if they would see it, the secret task would be over. So beautifully done, and of course a lot of credit came my way because it was completely on me to get it done from both sides. I had a headache for 2 days. It was so stressful, but it was such a big victory when they announced on TV, because these guys didn't know that we were doing a secret task. So they suddenly called us to the room and then showed on TV how we had clicked the photos, and for 2 days that we had not let them know that we were doing this. So just their faces were like, what the hell happened and how did this happen? और ये कहाँ से खड़े होके photo खींचे, because they never saw this big camera. The best moment of the show. All of us stood up and started dancing. We were so happy, so happy. It was beautiful.
What was a little bad moment for you that you were like conscious or maybe nervous?
I bleached my eyebrows once. वो पानी के लिए करने थे मुझे, and मैं बहुत डर गया था कि पता नहीं अगर ये white हो गए तो क्या होगा. Thankfully वो ज़्यादा white हुई नहीं. I used to ask her to put mascara on it.
Now I'm seeing. No.
No, not right now. Yeah, I know. No, but it was scary. to get yes, you have to put bleach on your eyebrows as a man, so that I don't want to do again. So, yeah.
So if you are an option to go back in the house again, so what will you do?
See, I'm contracted till the end of the show. All of us are. So if they want me to go back, I will have to go back. There's no choice. I did start a process about a week, 10 days ago, where I felt that some people there who constantly manipulate, constantly lie. I wanted to unmask their real faces. And I had just started that process. Some days I had started putting them in their position and I started asking them awkward, straight questions. And they were finding it difficult to answer. And so just two of those moments had happened. And I think that if I would have strayed a little more, I would have done 3, 4, 5 of them more because I knew what to ask them. You see, when you live with people, आपको पता चलता है when they lie. Of course, वो telecast में कैसा दिखता है, you have no guarantee because हमें अंदर मालूम नहीं है.
Edited and all because there is like 24 hours and
Correct.
we see
45 minutes. So, we knew कौन कब झूठ बोल रहा है क्योंकि वो बाद में दिख जाता था. So, I thought nobody is doing that and maybe considering हर चीज़ की जिम्मेदारी मेरे कंधे पे आ जाती है. I should take that upon myself. I was the so-called leader of the team, so I should take that upon myself. So, yeah, I just started it. That's the only one little thing that I feel incomplete रह गई. Baki, the many other things. I was sent a picture today in the morning of Bani had kept one T-shirt and a scarf of mine without telling me. She just kept it and then she was wearing it because the people keep watching the live feed. So after I left, apparently she was wearing the T-shirt and the scarf, and she seems a little depressed. So I felt really bad watching that. But then I told all her fans because they were sending me the pictures that if you ever see this, then think of this as a part of me that's inside that's supporting her. So symbolic. Let it be my symbolic place there.
Because of this only, because that is yours. So anything more that you want to say, like in front of Janta, anything more that you want to reveal or something?
Oh, there's nothing more to reveal. I mean, what more will you reveal in a show like Big Boss? It's all out there for you to see, 108 cameras, and anything that we breathe or say, you hear. So nothing more to reveal per se, but for all the absolute amazing, the flood of support and love that I have felt as soon as I came out, especially since last night's eviction episode, the trending on Twitter, and I must mention that's quite amazing as well. I mean, to be number one in India, trending for one night, because it's a huge big thing and it doesn't even happen to big film stars. So I understand the emotion behind it and the amount of support that that would cause something like that. So thank you for that as well. Thank you for making me feel understood. That's the most important. When you're in a show like Big Boss, you don't know whether people are understanding you or not. Especially for somebody like me who feels like I want to stay away from a lot of the silliness and a lot of petty fights. You don't know if people are understanding you or not. With a lot of false allegations put on you, you hope and you pray that they understand the values, the standards. They understand that I'm trying to do something good. But as soon as I came out, this is what I got. So now what more do I ask for? I'm completely indebted. I shall try and repay this for the rest of my life. But on a genuine, emotional, from the bottom of my heart, thank you.
So any message for your viewers and viewers of Big Boss?
Well, this was for them. I don't know what other message I can give apart from the fact that I haven't said Happy New Year, and it is the New Year. The one thing I realized in Big Boss that we sometimes take for granted the people who are closest to us. No, don't take them for granted. Keep them close to you. Hold on to them really tight. And whenever there's a good moment, whenever there's a celebration, whenever there's a Happy New Year moment, there's a birthday, there's a festival, there's a Diwali, there's Eid, there's a Christmas. Hold on to them and celebrate it together. When they're not with you, you'll miss them. So, yes, that's the most important thing. Spread the love with the ones that you love the most.